With this in my hand, you already know what's going on. I'm unboxing another box of gold and silver. That's a tongue twister. All right, so I placed the order. Now this right here was very special. Reason it was special is because this was my first order through e-check. But to be honest with you, that didn't go through. So one thing I didn't like about apmex was, if you see my previous video, I talked about it, where the e-check didn't go through for some reason, and now they charged me full price. There was no other option of e-check, so they charged me the full price and saying if I don't pay, they're going to charge me $35 cancellation fee, which I do not like. But I got it. I had the money. I was like, all right, I'll buy it full price, through a debit card. So I just didn't like that about apmex. But then I purchased another, e-check for $500, which is the next box I'm waiting for here. But this, it told me, like, I went through my tracking. It told me I got it yesterday at 4:56. I only know that because I was on the phone with them all day, not apmex, and USPS, United States Postal Service or whatever. And they delivered it, which means they scanned this box. They delivered it, but I did not receive it. I did not get it. I looked in the mailbox. I didn't get it. I'm real cool with the mailman. I called him up. I was like, hey, man, I'm supposed to receive a package. It said you scanned it. And it didn't. I just didn't find it. So I was going crazy. I'm thinking he delivered it to another neighbor because I went online. Never check Googles when you're in a panic, of course. I went online and it says, oh, they sent it through to, they sent my box through, like, 55 blocks away, so and so, yada yada yada. I called, and then my mom called me up today and she was like, hey, don't worry about it, we got your box. So that was the whole ordeal about this here box. But let's start the unboxing and see what I got. Oh, I'm sorry. Welcome to another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a like, and comment down below. Let me know what you think. Have any of these experiences I just talked in the past 10 seconds happened to you guys? But let's get into my intro. I'm working for work and grind. Working for work. All right. I think this was one of the first box I actually unboxed before, and it took a while. See, I gained so much muscles, it's so easier to open now. And this is how it comes inside. Let's get this open right there. Throw that off. Now, this is where I had the troubles, and that's why we got this little tool right here. Oh, I'm sorry. So I have some of my stacks here. I put most of my coins in here. I put my bars in here, and I put some of my assay cards in there. And this is why you shouldn't just open it with this, because I cut through the paper. You got to be careful, but I'm such in a hurry because this took me so long. Look at this. Cut through it completely. All right, just cut the edges, so we're good. Let's see here. So the price of this was actually $118.52. But when I did it through e-check, it went down to $103. Okay. So let's see here. Cool. What else do I have? Okay. I got me another American Eagle coin. 2012 this time. Let me open it out the package and I'll show you guys. Right there. Beautiful. And we're going to put that one in there. What else is in here? I got me a Buffalo bar. Now, I know Haas told me not to cut it out, but it won't fit in here if I don't cut it out. So I'm going to cut it right out. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Oh, I'm sorry about the background as well. My wife is actually, she has clients in the salon. That's where I normally record my videos. And this would be weird for me to start recording there. But if we could see here, and I put it in the right spot. Let's see. So both of these hold 20. At 20 coins and 20 bars. So let's see how much I have left before I fill this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 bars. So I got about 9 more bars to go to fill this up, and then I'll get another one and start over. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 coins. So I have about 5 more slots left in there. Well, depending on what else I have in here. Well, it's changed that. I spoke too soon. I have another American Eagle here. 2012, same coin. Oh, I'm sorry. I probably didn't show you guys the bar. Here you go. Here's the bar. Right there. So with the Eagle, I have coin number 16 right here. Very beautiful. Same thing. You guys seen it already. I'm going to have to show it again. Put that right there. So yeah, Silver Doomsday guy. If you're watching this, boom. You see, I have my Velcambi Suisse right here. So I know what this box is for. I just wanted to put more stuff in there. You know, boom. So I did do my research, obviously. So I'm going to put this, oh my bad. This is the 1 gram of gold right there. Velcambi Suisse right there. And I'm going to put it in there. Which honestly, I don't see the difference. I do see the difference. It fits right in perfectly. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle. If you found this video entertaining, I guess, please leave us a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And have a wonderful day. That's why I work.